In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $500 online, just like this, for simply watching YouTube videos. This is a brand new method that I just recently discovered. So, get your smartphone ready, or your computer, and let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna have to do is go to the YouTube page right here. Now, as you already know, there is a whole lot of videos on YouTube, like music videos, funny videos, vlog videos, and a lot of other stuff like that. However, that's not going to be the type of videos you are going to watch if you want to make money. In this video, we're gonna have to go for a specific type of videos that I'm about to show you just in a bit. And actually, you can earn $2 for every single video that you watch. So, if you just watch 2 videos, that's $4. And if you watch 10 videos, you're going to earn $20. The good news is there is no limit on how many videos you can watch. So, the type of videos we're gonna have to go for are educational type of videos. For example, you can use for this health videos, like these videos right here. And videos about facts is also another great example that you can use. Videos about science is also a good example that's going to work for this. And another final example I'm going to give you is finance videos. So now, I think you got the point. Basically, you want to go for any videos that are educational, and not go for the entertainment kind of videos, because they are not going to make you any money. You can just choose one of these video ideas that I have shown you, or you can find another type of videos on your own. And if you even want to have more ideas on what other videos that you can search for, you can just go to Google and type on the search bar, YouTube education niches. And as you can see here, it's going to give you a lot of great ideas that you can search for on YouTube. Now, this is going to be so simple and easy. You don't need to have any experience or anything like that, but I just want you to pay attention. Now, let's move to the next step, and I'm going to be using health videos here to show you how the process works. But this is just what I like myself, and like I said, you can also pick a niche you like, and something you are interested in will make this way easier for you. Now, just choose one of the videos. So, I will click on this one for example. And now, what you want to do is just watch the video for a few minutes to make sure that it's a good, high-quality video. What you also want to do is make sure that the video has a decent amount of views, because if a video has a low view count, that's not a good sign, right? But this video right here seems pretty good. So, what I'm going to do for next step, and you should also do, is copy the URL of the video. You want to click share, and then click where it says copy. Now, like I told you guys, this is a new method, no one knows about it yet. So, I want you to take action instantly after watching the video, before the method gets saturated. But before we continue, make sure you also like the video, and let me know which country you're from, in the comments. So, after you copy the video URL, you want to go to this website right here that is called Anthiago.com. I'll also leave the link in the description down below. And this is an online video transcript tool. Once you are on this page, what you want to do basically is just paste the link of your YouTube video here. And after you do that, go and click on transcript right here. And then, just wait a few seconds, and it will take you to a page like this, with the transcript of your video. Now, to copy the whole script, you want to go up here, and click where it says copy transcript. So now, I'm going to show you how we're going to work with the script that we copied, but we first need to paste it somewhere safe. So, I'm going to use Google Docs for this, just because it's very simple to work with, but you can also use any other similar program. So, I'm going to click Go to Docs, and then, I will click the plus button to create a new document. Now, what I'm going to do here is paste the script of our YouTube video. And once you do that, what you want to do now is try organizing and modifying the sections to make the whole script look like an article, just like what I did here. As you can see, try to also make yours look like this. And once you do that, just copy the text, like this right here. And for the next step now, you want to go to this website right here. This is the link of the website. Like I said, I will leave the links in the description below. And this tool will help you create a new version of the original article. What you want to do basically is paste that text right here that we just copied. Then, click right here where it says rewrite. And as you can see, it will only take a few seconds to rewrite your text. Now, just click here to copy your new text. And then, go back to Google Docs and paste your new text there. You want to do the same process to all of these text here. Just copy section by section, and then paste them to this tool to rewrite them. Once you've rewritten the whole article and arranged everything, let's move to the next step, which is the most important part of the video. And I want you to pay attention here, because I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars by simply posting this article once. By the way, all websites I'm showing you in this video are completely free, so if you appreciate that, make sure you give the video a like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The website we are going to be using next is called Vocal Media. This is their logo. I'll just click the first link here, and this website will pay you whenever someone reads your article. I will show you in a bit how much you will get paid exactly, but to post an article on this website, you will first need to create an account. Just click where it says Join, and then fill out your own information there, like your name, email, and password, and click Sign Up. They will then send an activation link to your email. Just click it to verify your email, and once you do that, click this icon on the top right corner, and go to Create Story. And then, this page will pop up. Now, just check I understand and agree, but make sure you first read their submission guidelines here, and then, hit Start Creating. So now, here is where you can write the title of your YouTube video. In my case, this is the video I am using, so I will just copy the title, and then, paste it back here. You can also add a subtitle, just explaining more what the video is about. And you can also add images from here, to make your article even more professional. So, just click where it says, Unsplash Image, and you can then search for images related to the topic of your YouTube video. For example, health, or whatever the topic you are working on. You can just double-click any image to add it on your own article. Sometimes you may not find the exact images that you are looking for on here, and if that happened to you, you can just use this other website right here. And this is a royalty-free image website. It's called pixels.com. You can find here hundreds of images on any specific topic that you like, and you can use these images on your article with no problem. So, let's just type something random here, for example, a lion, and then I will hit search. And as you can see, they have unlimited images that I can choose from. Once you find the image you like, just click this download icon, and it will start downloading to your device. Once you do that, you can just come back here, then click where it says Upload Image, and click Select File, and then just select the image you download from your device. That's how simple and easy it is. Now, like I said, they already have Unsplash images here, and you're most likely to find the image you are looking for on here. But if not, you can just use the other option, which is Pixels. So, next step after you do images, is you want to just paste your article that we made earlier here. And once you do that, just click on Save Changes. And this will allow you to submit your article for completely free. But you can always come back later and make changes if you want. Whether you want to edit your title, your subtitle, or whatever it is, you can do that and just save the changes. Now, as for how much they will pay you, you can just click on Vocal, and it will show us the prices. So, as you can see here, you're going to earn $3.80 for every 1,000 people that read your article on this website, which is not bad at all, since they don't have to buy something or anything like that. They just have to read. Now, you can click here if you want to discover a new method to make money online, just by watching videos. See you there. Thank you for watching.